What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free PayPal money cash codes now. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And I make videos on how to make money on YouTube and make money with the apps. So it'll be beneficial for you new guys out there. If you're new to the family, you need to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my very, very valuable videos that I drop. And please give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And also drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about in this video. Also, don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 4,000 subscribers. I was pushing to reach 4,000 subscribers by the 11th. That don't look like it's going to happen. As you can see here, I'm at 3,150 something. So I got a long way to go. So I'm hoping I can make it before the end of this month. So before the end of July, guys, if we can get to 4,000, two people are going to win some free money. So please share this video and let's get to 4,000. All right, enough of me talking. Please watch this video all the way to the very end so you won't miss any of the steps that you need to take to get this PayPal money. So without further ado, let me go ahead and go to the site I want to show you where you can get this money. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. Now, this is a survey website. And I have talked about this website before, but I'll tell you in a minute since I have a lot of new people on my channel watching my videos. So I want to introduce this again to all the new people and people that's already been watching my video because this is a very, very good website to get some free PayPal money cash codes. So it says here, it only takes 10 seconds to sign up. You're going to be making money online with paid surveys. You're going to earn points and redeem them for cash or gift cards. And from eBay, iTunes, Visa, CVS, and PayPal, Walmart, and Amazon. And it's free to sign up. And again, here are the rewards you can redeem for. Google Play gift cards, PayPal money, Amazon, and Apple and PlayStation. Now, this website, they're looking for survey takers, and you're going to earn points just by giving your opinion on market research. And then you're going to redeem those points for rewards, tons of rewards. Now, they have 10 million members and they have 21 million in cash and rewards redeemed since 2007, and 547 in paid online surveys right now, 504 gift cards rewards to choose from, and $1,555 in cash and rewards paid today. Now, they can be seen on Trustpilot. They have a good review on there. Trustpilot is a site where you can look at reviews about websites and see what other people are saying about those sites. Also, Survey Police does the same thing. All right, now, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and go inside my account because I have an account on this website so you can understand what you're going to be doing once you sign up with this website. And of course, I'm going to show you the free PayPal Money Cash codes, how you're going to get that. So let's go ahead and go into my account. Give me one moment. Okay, I'm in my account. And the name of this website is Prize Rebel. So you probably heard of this before. I'm sure my veterans, my Grind family members have heard this before, but we're going to talk about it again. So you have a lot of ways you can make some money on here also. Like right here, you can use raffles to win some money, contests, and this is what you're going to earn. Let me go to the offer wall. Okay, I'm at the offer wall. So as you can see here, there's a lot of featured offers that you can choose from and earn a lot of points. Now let's go back to what you can do would be the smart thing to do to earn some points and really don't have to do that much work is go to videos. And as you can see, you click on here to watch all these videos. They got different categories here. They got food, music, celebrity, viral, best life, gaming. So they got a lot of categories to choose from. And as you can see, you get 55 cents when you click on this video, 55 cents on this video. So the amount is like 55 on all the video that you look at. But all you have to do is just click on the video and look at it, and you can go about your business. All right, now let's get to the good part here. What I'm going to do is show you how to get the PayPal cash codes. Now let me go to rewards. And as you can see here on the side right here, this shows like the recent rewards. So people are getting paid by the minute on here. All right, so here are the gift cards you can get through Amazon. Here's the PayPal. Now, and they have a lot of others. They have Uber. They have Home Chef, Apple, Burger King. So they have all different types. GameStop, if you like game. Walmart, you like to shop. Macy's, if you like to shop. Starbucks. So what we're going to do is go over here to the PayPal. Click on PayPal. And here's the amounts of PayPal money you're going to get. Now, what's so unique is you can put a custom PayPal amount. So you're going to click there and go here. So please enter any amount above 5. So you can put in 50. You could put in 40. Or you could put in 100. And then all you do is just click that and claim this item. And you're going to get an email, and it's going to send you the codes where you can get this PayPal money. So that's how that works. I don't have the email since I already done it before. I don't even know what happened to the email when I first signed up. But if I can find this email, I'll show you what it says. But you're going to get an email and you're going to have some codes in there. You'll be able to get your $100. So that's how that works. But you do have to accumulate some points to get that free PayPal money. All right. That's all I'm going to say about this website. So let me just go back here. I'm just at the dashboard of my account. So if you're ready to go ahead and get some free PayPal money cash codes, go ahead and go to prizerebel.com. All right. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get at least 50 likes. That's all I need, at least 50 likes. And please make sure you drop a comment down below. If you have any questions about this video, please leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. Earlier, like I said, I wanted to hit it by July the 11th. It looked like that's not going to happen. Today is July the 10th. So we're pushing for the end of this month, the end of July. Let's get 4,000 subscribers, guys, because I do have a bigger goal. I want to make it to 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So guys, if you can help me out, you definitely will be rewarded for helping me out. This channel is just not mine. This channel is the Grinds family channel. So you guys are family, and when I grow, you're growing with me. So help me get to 4,000 subscribers. Let's do it this month, guys. And please share this all around the internet because I want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. And last thing, please drop a creative comment because I might give you a shout out if I pick your comment. Long as it's a creative comment, I might pick it and shout you out in one of my videos. I'm not doing any shout outs this video, but it might be the next video or the video after next. So please leave a creative comment along with hashtag the grind is real. All right, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Grind family, you're the best. You're incredible. You're spectacular. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Now go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Stay safe. Get your grind on.